Moikka! A little moment ago, I had this sudden inspiration to do some bite-sized art, art journaling again, and I want to use circles. I have done a bigger version of the circle art journaling before, but not the smaller version. So I will use this pen harp, and I will do different size circles that overlap each other. And then I will paint them and decorate them. This is a great tool, but if you don't have a pen harp, you can definitely do this with all kinds of circles that you find from home, different size, and then you just make them overlap each other and draw all the circles. And then I will be using this Arrtx watercolor colored pencils set. But yes, I will now enjoy this moment very much. I am so in need of a color therapy, and I do love my colors. So let's get to it, and hope you enjoy the video. Now the painting part is done, and next I will do the decorating. I will use different kind of markers that I have over here, and let's decorate. Now the decorating is ready. In my previous video in the art journaling background techniques, I used some ink in the similar background that this is. So I thought that I could do it also here because I really loved the effect of it. The amount doesn't have to be a lot, just so that it frames the little picture nicely. So I tilt the stamper. There. Yes, I think that is nice. And let's do another picture with the blue. I really love to do the bigger circle art journaling art journal spread, but I have to say this was fun also to make these little frames, or should I say pictures, little paintings. Colors work like magic, and I feel so much better already. They have that special power when you are feeling down and blue. Then I recommend playing with colors. I love it. I love to try new things, and well, this is a old new thing. I have used inks before, but not in this Bitesize Art journaling. These little pieces. I want to leave the yellow part all yellow. I think it pops up nicely. Yes. Thank you, rose dust. And now let's put some leaf green. Summer is coming. That is so nice. And one more. This will be fun in a minute when I get to take off the tapes. Then we can see what this truly looks like. Okay, one part after another. That is the beauty of art journaling. And this is the piece de résistance. I mean the most exciting part right now. So let's take off these tapes. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Ooh. Well, would you look at this? I really love this, and I feel so much better. So thank you, Color Circus and Bitesize Art Journaling. I am really, really happy with this one. Hope you are too. But yes, kiitos katsomisesta ja oikein mukavaa viikkoa kaikille.